Alright, what's going on everybody? It is Tristan and today I'm outside filming another video. Hope you guys are having a good day really though, and we're pretty much just gonna hop straight into it. I got the screen recording up. You can go check any of the social medias and stuff I got down below, but really we're just here to discuss how you guys can cop and get your hands on the Nike Dunk High Dusty Olive, or not Dunk High but Dunk Low. It's looking like a very nice pair of suede dunks. We'll get into all the details of it, and these are definitely going to be harder to get since it's looking like it is pretty much a Snkrs exclusive shoe. So yeah, we'll just continue getting into the details of it as we get further into the video. So you want more how-to cops, go ahead, subscribe below. You can drop a like, I'd appreciate it. Let's make the goal in this video like 150 likes, something simple, nothing really too crazy. And yeah, again, any of that you want to check out, down below, my Discord, got some helpful people on there that are really awesome. Shout out all you guys that are on there and active. And let's hop into this. So first things first, dropping on June 17th, 10 a.m. Eastern time, so keep that in mind. That means if you're on the West Coast, 3 hours earlier, so don't forget that little time difference right there. It's not going to be 10 a.m. Eastern time everywhere. Obviously not everywhere's Eastern time, so makes sense. And then kind of getting into a couple other details of it again. As I said, it is a suede dunk, and I personally really like how this dunk looks. So this actually reminded me, this exact dunk right here reminded me of the Ugly Duckling pack right here. As you guys can see, these are all suede dunks, the veneers, the plums, and the ceramics. These are all three were paired up in a pack basically that Nike dropped separately, and every single one of these sneakers, go check every single one of them, went up over time after their release. Now, this one is going to be a bit different, I think, because it already has so many pairs that have been out and raffled and sold before on apps. So it's kind of already done a little rise before the drop. Like, well, I don't want to discuss resale yet, but look at this. I've never seen this where a shoe release where it goes up $300 before, or not up $300, but up $60 before it releases. Like, what? That just doesn't make sense to me. But, I guess, there's a little market already there for it. It shows you that people really want this one. Shout out Apple for giving me a little screen time report right there. I guess, that's cool details. But yeah, getting in further to it, don't think it's dropping in any kid sizes or any of that right there. They even had pictures of it. Yeah, they're really taking these ones seriously. Yeah, they used to cut off here, and now they're out adding in-hand pictures and stuff like that. I actually like that Snkrs is doing that. So shout out Snkrs. I appreciate that. Really giving kind of that in-hand look. But overall, I think the shoe is definitely a hold, just based off all the past suede dunks and how they've done. This one could be one. It could be. 50-50. I'm very 50-50 on this one. Like, can't tell you whether or not, but I'm probably going to just hold one to see what will happen, because veneers were a great investment for me. Ceramics were an amazing investment for me. And I wish I got a pair of the plums. I mean, again, all those dunks did really good for me. So this is just another suede one I see. Honestly, the colorway isn't too bad. I really like how it looks. I personally think the brown, orange, green, it fits, especially with the orange sole, having the orange swoosh and laces on it. I think they know what they're doing on this one. So I really like it. Kind of the brown suede toe box. It's good. I think it's a good one to look into. And don't forget, $110 retail on it. I was discussing the date and time, so hopefully I zoomed in on the retail there so you can just see that and remember. But $110 retail is definitely worth it to pay. You'll be making double. If people don't lowball this one, then you'll be making double on the shoe on resale. But let's just hop into resale right now. So if you actually look at the market right now on the sizes, I mean, let's just look at the recent ones. It's pretty much at a range of, I'd say, 265 to like 320, depending on what size you get. So, bigger sizes are obviously selling for more. I don't really think I have to say that too much. If you get a size 10.5 plus on this one, that'll probably be best on resale. Like if we go look right here, yeah, some of the smaller sizes are going for a bit less, but once you get a 10, they're all above 300. So, really, if you get a size 12, that would be ideal in this shoe. And now, since it isn't dropping on many other FOOTSITES or anything either, that is why it is potentially a good hold, since there isn't like a huge amount of stock for this one. You know what I mean? So, it's pretty limited. That's something to actually take into account. It doesn't even look that bad. So kind of looking at that, I personally think once the pairs drop off Snkrs, I think the range of resale will probably drop to around 240 to 280. That's what I'm thinking. The bigger sizes will be up more towards 280, 300. That's just kind of what I'm thinking. Again, you already have 1,500 plus sales, or almost 1,500 sales on this one. So, I mean, the resale could stay exactly where it's at too. Keep that in mind, since you already have so many pairs sold. I mean, they might just be getting flipped through Snkrs, but people might just be throwing out high bids there and there because they want these. But I'll still expect them to drop. I mean, there's very rarely where a sneaker drops in Snkrs and everywhere else and then doesn't drop in price. So to say the least, I'd be very, very surprised if these ones didn't at least drop a little bit, and then you could buy them when they drop. Wait a couple weeks, buy them when they drop at that little dip, and then wait till they go up. That's what I think it'd be best for these ones. So we got my resale estimate and all that there. Obviously, do not miss out on this shoe. That'd be a horrible mistake, so we'll point that out. Again, every single one of these dunks in this picture went up. This one looks like it's from that pack. we can maybe make the correlation, maybe. But aside from that, let's just kind of hop into how you guys actually have a higher chance of copping this one off the Snkrs app. Now, if you've been on the channel before, you already know what I'm about to say. I'm going to just, direct you to this video right here. This is my go-to video. I'm going to make an updated Snkrs tip video soon. I'll probably keep the how-to cop, but I've been figuring out more about Snkrs, kind of the details to it, what you need to do to cop more often. And this video shows you, again, just how you can make multiple accounts, really basic details to just setting up more accounts so you can have more chances. Because if you have more accounts, you can enter in the drops more, which means you have a higher chance of hitting. Because I mean, let's just say you have 10 accounts versus 1 account. You enter in the drop with 10 accounts versus just entering with only 1. I mean, I only held up 5 there, but you get what I mean. You're going to have a higher chance of hitting with 10 accounts than you would with 1. So this video kind of explains the details of making multiple accounts, stuff like that. So if you guys want to check that down below, feel free. It definitely would be more useful for a drop like this one, since Snkrs is mainly the place for this one. Not too many raffles and stuff like that, so kind of know what the deal is. So aside from that right there, I also want to link this down below, top of the description. Huge shout out to my boys at Secret Sauce as always. These guys are a $60 monthly fee, but they can help you get tons of these upcoming releases, since we have a lot of different releases aside from this one that'll be coming up on these foot sites that are going to be definitely worth it to cop. And don't forget, if I have not mentioned that, it's a very easy fee to make back. You can totally make it back just reselling, entering in some of the tickets they have. Like, they're on the Top Shop hype, the Pokemon hype, obviously anything with these Snkrs releases, random flips, stocks, crypto. I mean, they're in on pretty much it all, and you can really check it out once you're in the chat. But how they'd help you get a release like this one, let's say this one was dropping on Foot Locker and some other places. Obviously it's not, but some of those recent Jordan 1s were, and they had some people running tickets for those, and obviously pretty successful since that release was pretty open on those foot sites. So basically, once you're in the Discord, there's this section called tickets, and you go to the ticket section and it directs you to this website basically, and it shows you all the free and paid slots they got going on. So free slots, you can just enter if you're a member in the chat. Just make sure you enter in them as early on as you can, so they don't sell out, or not sell out, but because you don't have to pay for the tickets if you're a member, but just before they fill up. And then if there's a paid slot, then you just enter in that, and if they get the item for you, then you just have to pay them a little fee after, or whatever they say before. But that's pretty much all there is to it. So if you want to check out my boys Secret Sauce, again, they can help you make resale money off a ton of stuff, and really just help you get more into the sneaker game. Honestly, if you're just trying to secure your personals more, they can help you do that too. So yeah, and if you're trying to learn to bot stuff like that, you can get one-on-one help, all that. It's really dope. So huge shout out to them as always. If you want to get into the chat, just go on Twitter, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, I'm interested, how can I get in? And that's really all you guys got to do. So I'm gonna keep working with these guys. You guys have been giving me good feedback. Of course, I love when you guys give me feedback, so let me know as always. They've been helping me out a lot recently, so I feel like it's fair at least to say, because I enter the same way. I enter in tickets the same way as you guys do. So, when I have success, I feel like some other people, at least, I know are having success. So, there, I also want to link this and this at the top of the description, this House of Heat and Raffles Snkrs article. Now, again, as I said, when I was checking Foot Locker, there was none of these dunks looked like they were on there. Not a single pair, nothing, other than the upcoming University, blue dunk lows. These dusty olive dunk lows were not dropping on any foot sites according to House of Heat. And looking on Raffles Snkrs, there's very few raffles for these going on right now. So the amount of pairs that they drop on Snkrs will really determine the market for this. I think this is going to be a great hold, because there's just none of these, it seems like, or at least not many, you know what I mean? But we'll just kind of have to see what happens after that release, because excuse my massive stutter there if that was crazy. But just, yeah, we'll have to see. Because, I mean, if there's the kids out here that are selling the pairs that just want to get their money quick, that just quick flip into StockX, then yeah, that's going to destroy the whole market. That happens all the time now, where there's great sneaker investments that get ruined because people just quick flip the StockX all the time. And it sucks. Wish it didn't exist sometimes. But, I still use StockX, so criticize me. But yeah, that's really all they got to say right there about copping these ones. It's all the places where we'll be dropping. Will it be hard to get? I would say don't ask dumb questions. Of course, it will be hard to get, but that's really all they got to say right there down below. So if you want to check my Instagrams, any of that down below in the description, they will be there. You can follow me there, Discords, all that. They're there. Any questions, leave them down below. And yeah, your boy's about to go work out a little bit later. I guess that's what we're doing. We got a ton of packages coming in tomorrow. Hopefully I got that one coming in all the way from England. It's a pair of What the Paul. Shout out my UK boy. If he really if it all comes in right, then that would be so dope. I'm hoping it will come tomorrow. And also got a pair of dunks coming tomorrow that I'm flipping, so got to ship some stuff, do all that. Maybe we'll have a vlog, and yeah, I'll end it right here. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys for watching. As always, leave any questions, comments, concerns you got down below, and I'll be there to help you out as quickly as I can. So I'll see you all then. Peace.
It becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the tea. The water can flow or it can crash in water, my friend.
Sticks made a fucking hit.